In this video, I'm going to share with you some footage from actual full live virtual color analysis appointments with myself in Zoom. This is such a fun appointment. I'm going to share with you some of the steps that I do in this video. This service is such a great alternative to an in-person color analysis, so stay tuned.
You don't have to hurry.
Or you don't have to, you know, say that's
Take your time,
front and your back to.
stay a while,
Nothing can stop you.
and you don't have to worry.
I say.
I'm Carol Braley of carolbraley.com. As the intro said, this video is showcasing my full live virtual color analysis in Zoom appointments. This is a fantastic service in lieu of my in-person color analysis services. It is most representative of having an in-person color analysis consultation with me. It is so fun. It's great for those who cannot come see me in person. I will also just add before I jump into more details that it is so fun connecting with people around the world this way and helping people sparkle with their best colors. The steps for the full live virtual color analysis appointment really are the same as the 3 steps I do for a picture virtual color analysis. So the first step is looking at somebody's eye pattern. Second step is looking at a picture of somebody around the age of 20 and making an hypothesis, let's say, based on those details, and then going through the color comparisons to validate or invalidate my hypothesis. But it really comes down to the color comparisons that are most integral, but the eye pattern, hypothesis, and picture of yourself around the age of 20 help me validate that the pictures that we're using for the color comparisons are accurate, or as accurate as they can be, to represent your in-person natural coloring. I will also say my eye pattern hypothesis and looking at yourself around the age of 20, usually my hypothesis is in harmony ultimately with where we arrive at for your color analysis results after completing the color comparisons. During this appointment, I use a mixture of the virtual background functionality in Zoom, and we discuss how you're showing up in terms of color analysis results on your screen. And then I transfer throughout the appointment to show you on my screen what I'm seeing. But also this step using my screen helps to validate what I'm seeing through your screen as well. And it gives you another lens to look at yourself on somebody else's computer and sort of see what I'm seeing. And so the color comparisons, I look at each step of color analysis, determining your undertone, determining primary color season, and determining flow of color season, which is the combination color season step. So you can have a mix of winter, autumn in you, summer, spring, that sort of thing. And so after we arrive at your color analysis results and ultimately what your palette is, we talk hair, makeup, clothing, accessories. We go through whether gold or silver is better than you. You can pull out your makeup bag. And we have a discussion about implementing the best colors on you. And so it's so fun. Check out the service. Link to it is below. And I hope all of you are safe, well, and having the most fabulous day ever. Until next time.
You don't have to hurry.
Or you don't have to, you know, say that's
Take your time,
front and your back.